Think directly in English. Build a faster route from ideas to speech. Imagine you lift a mug and the coffee is too hot. Say that in English now. Did the idea arrive first? Then a complete sentence in your language? And only then the English sentence? That extra construction step is the delay we will train. You do not need to push your first language away. You need another route from the situation to usable English. The coffee is too hot. At the end, you will answer a new prompt in 10 seconds and recover even when one word is missing. Change the goal. Thinking in English does not mean erasing your first language. Bilingual minds can activate both languages, and translation can be useful for a difficult idea, a precise contrast, or a quick meaning check. The practical goal is smaller and more useful. Build a direct English route for situations you meet often. A receipt at a cafe should call up receipt. Then, could I have the receipt? You should not need to compose the request somewhere else first. Choose one familiar situation for this lesson: making breakfast, traveling to work, or sitting at your desk. Keep that one scene in mind. We will use 5 steps: retrieve, expand, connect, repeat, and transfer. A narrow route you use is more valuable than a huge vocabulary list you cannot reach while speaking. Step 1. Retrieve before you check. Look at this kitchen scene. Name the mug, the spoon, and the kettle. Then name 2 actions: pour and boil. Try each word before you hear or read the answer. Your turn. Mug, spoon, kettle, pour, boil. If a word did not come, mark the gap. Do not stop the whole round to search. Now check only the gaps. Use a clear model with meaning, pronunciation, and an example. Then close the tool and retrieve the item again. That final recall matters. Looking at the answer can feel familiar even when you still cannot produce it. Add 2 useful chunks. The kettle is boiling. I need a clean cup. A chunk is easier to reuse than an isolated label because it already contains a speaking pattern. Use the same method wherever you are. Attempt first, check what failed, then retrieve again. That is direct route practice, not a memory test you must pass perfectly. Step 2. Expand one idea. A list of nouns is a start, but conversation needs relationships. Use a 4-rung ladder. Begin with one word, coffee. Add an action. I'm making coffee. Add a reason. I'm making coffee because I'm tired. Then connect it to the next event. I'm tired, so I'm making coffee before work. Each rung keeps the same idea while asking for one more piece of English. You never translate a long paragraph all at once. Build your ladder now. Choose one object in your situation. Name it. Say what you are doing with it. Add why, when, or where. Then connect what happens next. Keep the grammar simple enough that you can retrieve it. If because blocks you, use and. If the exact verb is missing, use a simpler known verb. The exercise trains access, so a clear short sentence beats a silent perfect one. Repeat the finished ladder once without looking. You have moved from a concept to connected English while staying inside one familiar scene. Step 3. Connect a mini scene. Use 3 questions. What is happening? What do I need? What happens next? Watch a short morning sequence and answer with the English you already have. I'm making coffee. The kettle is boiling, and I need a clean cup. The mug is still in the dishwasher, so I'll use this one. Then I'll make breakfast and leave for work. Now speak about your chosen situation for 45 seconds. Keep moving through the 3 questions. If you pause, restart from the last idea, not from the beginning. Repeat the task once, but change one detail. Maybe today you are late. Maybe the kettle does not work. The first pass helps you find the language. The changed second pass makes you retrieve and adapt instead of reciting. Self-talk gives you rehearsal without another person's time pressure. It does not replace conversation. After rehearsal, use one sentence in a message, a lesson, or a real exchange. That is where transfer begins. A missing word often sends learners back into full translation. Repair the gap instead. Use 4 moves. Describe around it, choose a simpler word, check the right tool, and retrieve the whole phrase again. Suppose you need colander, but the word is gone. Describe around it. The bowl with holes that drains pasta. Or use a simpler phrase, the pasta bowl. Your listener can still follow, and your English task continues. When you check, choose the tool that makes the meaning clear. An English learner's definition can be useful. A bilingual or bilingualized dictionary can be faster at a lower level. Check the pronunciation, one common combination, and one example. Tool choice is not a test of loyalty to English. Then close the tool and say the full phrase. Put the pasta in the colander. Without that last retrieval, the lookup may stay recognition only. Try one gap from your own scene now. Describe, simplify, check if needed, and retrieve again. Step 4. Repeat inside one English zone. An English zone is a small routine with 3 parts: a reliable cue, meaningful English input, and an output action. Changing a phone menu to English creates exposure, but exposure alone does not make you retrieve language. Here is a complete zone. The cue is making breakfast. The input is 1 minute of an English clip you can mostly understand. Notice one useful phrase such as, "I'm running out of time." The output is a 30-second recap from memory after the clip ends. The phrase must leave the screen and enter a new sentence. "I'm running out of time, so I'll make something quick." That small retrieval step turns familiar input into language you can reach. Design your zone now. Name the cue. Choose input that is interesting and understandable. Add a spoken or written output that lasts 30 to 90 seconds. Make it small enough to repeat at the same point in your day. If the input is so hard that you cannot summarize one idea, simplify it. If the routine is easy, change the content before adding more minutes. Repeat the process, not a memorized speech. Do not wait for a magical day when English appears automatically. Run a 7-day experiment. Keep one situation and one English zone stable long enough to see whether access changes. Record 3 signals after each practice. First, minutes completed. Second, your longest uninterrupted English stretch. Third, one phrase you recovered without translating word by word. These are observations, not scores of your intelligence. For example, 2 minutes practiced, 40 seconds without stopping, and I'm running out of time, retrieved from memory. Also write one gap for tomorrow, such as the word lid. After 3 comfortable days, increase one thing. Add a detail, change a condition, or speak to a real person. If you keep freezing, shrink the scene and reuse stronger sentence frames. Difficulty should follow successful retrieval, not punish you for being a learner. An end-of-day recap can be another retrieval round, and normal sleep supports memory consolidation. It does not guarantee that you will dream in English. The useful evidence is what you can retrieve tomorrow. Return to the opening. The coffee is too hot. Say it again, then add one detail and what happens next. For example, the coffee is too hot, so I'll wait a minute before I drink it. Now transfer the route. You are ordering at a cafe, but the drink is cold. Respond in English. If you retrieved, expanded, and repaired a gap, the route worked. Schedule one real use this week, so rehearsal becomes interaction. Keep the whole method in 5 words. Retrieve, expand, connect, repeat, transfer. Build one direct route at a time and use translation when it genuinely helps, instead of treating it as failure. If you want to learn more and practice systematically, download Lexioo. Reading, writing, speaking, and pronunciation are all in one place, with guided practice you can use every day. Scan the code and I'll see you there.